My people, welcome to another episode of PG Vibes Yani. Before I enter the story of today, I still make a thank all my subscribers, all my likers, all my sharers for wetin una don do for me the past days. Make una no still forget to dey like, make una no forget to dey comment, dey share and to dey subscribe to our channels dem. Today, my tori carry me enter this SS bike wey don dey Benin. Like all dis our government officials I no know whether dey no dey in touch with reality or their advisers no dey tell dem wetin dey sup. You go enter all those villages for Benin now, presently now, I no dey talk about years ago, presently, you go see bikes everywhere and the people wey dey drive the bikes dey be non-native. Where wetin dey happen? Because I know say during Oshiomhole time dem ban bike for Benin but for the past few weeks now, few months, the way me dey see bike now, even inside our major town, bikes full everywhere. I dey ask myself, we no get government for the state? Sometimes when I go look Benin city Edo state, I go be like say we dey run on autopilot, we no just get who dey govern us, because I no know wetin dey sup. Because we need to come dey ask our government some kind question. Dem ban bike for Benin abi dem no ban bike? Because why e be say everybody now don carry bike come outside? Some of dem go buy ladies bike, all of dem na bike, ban all of dem back because the insecurity for the state e don too much, and part of the insecurity, part of the things wey dem take dey run their nonsense insecurity matter na dis bike. Fine, the riders fit dey but you go make sure say dem register well. But you see all those normal bikes and dat ladies bike of a thing, make dem ban all of dem, because the insecurity for dis town no be small. Make we no dey make we no just joke, make we no sugarcoat something. The thing don too much e don too much. The one wey we dey hear and the one wey we no dey hear, the one wey we no dey hear how many pass the one wey we dey hear? The one wey dey enter social media na small compared to the one wey we no dey hear, wey no dey enter. Wetin dey happen? Dis city now dem ban bike. I know say under Oshiomhole time na dem take ban bike for dis city, but e come be like say dem no ban the bike I don see dis past few days, I don see bikes inside city. I no wan even talk about the villages. Inside city, wetin dey happen? Because I know wetin dey happen. Our farmers no fit dey go farm again. Foodstuff dey very expensive because dem no fit go farm, dem no fit access their farms. You go wan go inside all those villages, na so bike riders full am, and the bike riders na non-native. Wetin non-native dey use bike take dey do for inside village? Because our governor Monday Okpebholo, oga abeg rise up, make we talk about dis bike matter. E don serious pass as you dey reason am. Maybe your advisers or whatever, all those people wey dey follow you, dem no dey tell you wetin dey happen bike don return fully inside dis our Edo state, Benin city. Do something about am. Do something about am. Do something about am no be laughing matter again, no be joking matter, no be politics matter. Because I no know wetin dey happen wey be say all our government officials na 2027 election dem put for head when we still dey 2025. I no know wetin dey happen. Una people dey die but una dey talk about 2027 election. Governor Monday abeg arise. Dis bike matter na serious matter because bike dey among wetin dem dey use take dey perpetrate evil well well. If dem don ban bike, dem don ban am. Make bike no dey again make dem carry am go back to where dem bring am come from. Because I just come notice am, the way e come take many for the city now. The way e take many, na so e take dey start Governor Monday abeg arise. My people una doh.